YouTube family members out there. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. I'm really excited to meet you all in this video because this is my first English video ever made. Special shout out and cheers to my dear subscriber Ms. Veena Kashyap ma'am for requesting me to remake a video which was earlier made in Tamil into English so that most of the people get benefited out of it. The common issues that parents are facing nowadays is that my child is not at all productive. He or she just sits on a couch using a gadget for the whole day. So when I gave it a thought, I got some ideas and some activities in my mind which I think will be really helpful for those parents who are facing this issue right now. One request is that parents will have to do these activities along with the child so that the child as well as the parents get benefited out of it. You see, the benefits on the child side is that the child learns or gains knowledge by doing these activities along with the parents, where he gets really super excited and be happy that his parents are doing these activities and playing some games with him. Whereas on the parent side, the parent gets to understand the child much better. So my dear parents, you will have to do these activities along with the child, wherein you'll have to get down to their age level and do them. So here are the activities. To start off, you will have to begin the day by doing any type of fitness activity. It can be yoga, aerobics, simple dance movements, breathing exercises, or any type of activity which you are comfortable in. Just make sure you do it along with your child so that the day begins with a happy and energetic mood. So up next is bathing time. So I prefer using natural products which are available at home rather than using the normal soaps which are sold in the shops. So you can use ripe bananas, tomatoes, curd, milk, or any other thing which you think will actually give good effects to your child. So while using these products and helping your child take bath, please make sure you do explain the benefits and the goodness of using these products. So a small knowledge gaining happens even during this time. So after bathing time, it's breakfast time. So 20 minutes before your child eats the breakfast, just give them a bowl of fruits and nuts. You know the benefits of fruits and nuts. So before they eat their breakfast, for nearly 20 minutes before their breakfast time, please do give them some fruits and nuts which will help them be nutritious and be healthy. After breakfast time, it's time for the online classes. So when your child begins the day by doing a fitness activity, having a good bath and having a healthy breakfast, for sure their online class will be really good, wherein they'll be really concentrating in the class. For some kids, there are no online classes or they are not yet into any online class. I think the activities which I'm going to share now will help them spend their time really productive. So the first activity they can do is gardening. Depending on the space available, they can do indoor gardening or outdoor gardening. Just make sure you explain the importance of having plants and the benefits we get from plants. Let them observe the plants every day, let them water them, let them have a good talk with the plants so that they get connected to the nature. After gardening, the next activity the child can do is a reading activity. He or she can use any type of reading material like newspapers, storybooks, or magazines to do this activity. Reading activity is interconnected with other two activities, that's analyzing activity and speaking activity. So once the child has read a passage, just ask if the child has understood the passage that he has read. After he or she has understood or analyzed what the passage is all about, do ask them to express what they have read in their own words. After the reading activity, you can read out an unknown passage for a child and shoot out questions based on the passage. So here, the child is brushing up his abilities of reading, analyzing, speaking, and listening with these fun activities. So after these activities, you can have a fun quiz session with the child. So once the quiz session is done, you can play educational or informative videos to the child using any type of gadget, wherein the duration of the video will have to be maximum 15 to 20 minutes and the distance between the gadget and the child will have to be far. So after this, what you can do is you can have nice fun singing and dancing and damsharads playing sessions. In order to help your child be self-disciplined, you can teach them to perform simple cleaning tasks. It can be like cleaning their cupboards or cleaning their rooms, or simple cleaning techniques that will help them out in the future to survive as an individual. So after this, they can do any type of crafts by using the items which are available in the house. So by doing these activities, I'm sure half of the day would have been spent by doing these productive activities. And next comes the lunchtime. Let the child have a complete and a balanced meal. So after lunch, let them have a small power nap. After nap time, it is family time. You and your child get comfortable in the terrace or your balcony and have a good quality speaking family time together. So ask your child about their likes, their dislikes, their interests, their fears, all the positives and the negatives, and get to know them much better. And it is important for you also to share your likes, your dislikes, and how much you love them. It is the best time ever for the day. Do talk to your child about everything under the sky and get to know them well. And also, you can call your family members whom you won't be able to meet right now during this pandemic. Do have a good talk with them, ask about their safety, their wellness, and also let your child know that family is equally important. Up next is snacks time. Parents, do make sure that your child gets to eat a healthy snack in the evenings. So after snacks time, it has to be study time. Study time span has to be for nearly 2 hours, wherein the child studies or revises whatever he or she has learned in the online class, or you yourself can teach some study related topics to your child during the study time. Once the study time is done, it is dinner time. Parents, do make sure that your child gets to eat the dinner as early as possible. Once the dinner is done, you and your child can have a small walk in the terrace or your balcony, or you can perform the skygazing activity. Skygazing is nothing but observing the stars, the moon, and the sky. So I think this will help you get connected to the nature as well as get connected to your child much better. So once this is done, help your child to get back to the bed as early as possible so that he or she gets a complete 8-hour sleep, and it will be helpful for them to wake up bright and fresh the next morning. So my dears, so these are the points which I thought would be helpful if shared to you all and help you keep your child productive during these lockdown days. So please do try following these activities and do let me know your experience in the comment section. And also, if you know some other activities which you think will be helpful if shared to other people who are parents who are just traveling in the same boat like you, please do share those points also in the comment section so that when read, other people also get benefited out of it. So I hope you all like this video. Please do like, share, comment on my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Hope to see you all in another fun, interesting and exciting video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and keep supporting me. Thank you.